commute, and then by about 8, 9 o'clock, that pushes its way south down around the coastline and a better looking back into our Thursday forecast. We'll talk about how much rain this is going to drop, and yes, there is more rain in the forecast for your New Year's Eve plans. You might want to keep them inside. We'll talk about that straight ahead.
All right, Justin, thank you. And there are 3 ways you can track the storm.
When police officers
love wild crap. Nah. Man. Don't you hate it when it's a rainy day, you got nothing to do, your 2-pounders ain't working out for you, and you just don't know what to eat? Well, boy, do I got the recipe for you. Make fudge brownies. Fudgy, chocolatey, they're surely to sweeten up your day, or night, or thunderous storm, whichever of the 3 you're in. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, what did you do? Let me see. Oh, sorry. Just do a little bit of exercise before, we get cooking brownies. It's a very caloric meal. You should only have it once a week if you're a law student, but once a year if you're a normal average human being. That's why I like, burning off some extra calories, because I know I'm going to be regaining all this hundredfold. So, you want to make sure you have a pan all greased up, or with parchment paper. Your choice. You know how sticky your pans can be. If you don't want to risk sticky brownies stuck to the pan, just go ahead and use a good old parchment paper. That's all you need, just parchment paper. Just cut it out, lay it on the bottom, and you're set to go. But make sure it's not creased though. It'll ruin your brownies. So ingredient-wise, you're going to need the following things. Hold on, let me get off this bike. I think I'm done with my workout. Alright, how do I get off this thing? I'm strapped in. I can't talk while doing sit-ups. Let's do something else. So as I was saying, you're gonna need... I can't do this. I can't do this exercise workout. So you're going to need to go ahead and mix in 1/2 cup of melted butter, a 1/2 cup, not 1/2, and 1 cup and 1/8 of granulated sugar, along with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Okay. So you're going to want to mix that in real well. That's not a time to attack. There we go. After you whisk that stuff in, you're going to go ahead and beat in 2 of your eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You want to whisk that in real well as well. You can put all of that in at once. You don't have to do it 1 egg at a time. You can if you think it makes a difference. I need to heal. There we go. So after you mix in your liquid ingredients and you get a nice chocolate goo, you're going to go ahead and mix in your dry ingredients. Pre-mix them in a bowl. I recommend that. Make sure they're all sifted well. All the cocoa powders broken up into little powder pieces. How did that hit me? And let me heal. And after you get this flour, the salt, and the cocoa powder mixed in well, throw it into the mixture, and you want to fold it in. And folded it in does not mix in. What do I mean by this? Well, that was not fair. You want to go ahead and show who's boss by slightly incorporating the flour mixture. You see, the more you mix using a stand, okay, he's angry. He is angry. He is angry. He is angry. Whew, okay. I just got hit. That was dumb. By mixing it in excessively, you create air pockets, and they'll result in a more cakey, airy kind of brownie. I prefer a fudgy brownie. I wasn't looking. I'm alive. Don't overdo it, basically. Don't overdo it. Just fold in a bit. Once it's incorporated, leave it as it be. That way you get a nice fudgy brownie at the end result. So yeah, go ahead and throw your mix into the pan with parchment paper or greased, and throw it into the oven at 350 degrees with a good old, how do I aim? Oh, that's how I aim. So after 21 minutes and 30 seconds, 22 minutes, you can go ahead and take your brownies out of the oven. And they should be perfect, ready to go fudgy brownies. Perfect for a day like this. Everything must die. So there you go, nice fudgy brownies. Straight from the oven, quick, easy recipe to follow. If you follow the instructions, they won't be too cakey too, but I mean, just mix more time, let it bake for more time, don't put it on the top shelf, and you'll get a cakier brownie if that's your taste. But hey, very good for a day like this. How did that miss? I'll see you on the battlefield.